this one, ito guys yung kukunin natin ngayon. Volkswagen Atlas.
Yan.
Pero hindi ganito ang kulay. Hi guys! Welcome back to our channel. Napakagandang araw ngayon dito sa Canada. Anong weather? Plus 28 guys! Ang init kung mag-i-stampede tayo, no? So ongoing pa rin yung stampede. So I think mag-e-end na siya sa Sunday. So nakapunta na ba kayo guys? Ayan, tinanong na rin ako ng boss ko kung pumunta kami ng stampede eh. So yung isang ka-office mate ko, mas prefer niya sa iba, like Callaway Park, yung kumpara sa Stampede, kasi nga sobrang daming tao. And then, yung boss ko, ang tagal na daw nila dito, parang mga 10 years na, hindi na sila pumupunta nga ng Stampede. Kasi kung sino yung mga nandito talaga, mas hindi na pumupunta kasi alam nila na nandito lang yun. Every year, it can happen. Yung iba naman na turista galing sa ibang bansa, pinupuntahan talaga to. Kasi yun yung event dito. So iba-iba talaga tayo, no? Kami every year, once lang din naman, every family day, para hindi naman ganun kagastos. Kasi ang gastos rin talaga kung mag-e-entrance fee ka, bibili ka ng food sa loob, magra-rides ka. So maraming gastos. Last dun, 'di ba, sa mga exhibit, may mga food kang pwedeng bilhin. So may mga nagde-demo-demo pa doon ng mga machine, unan, kama, and everything. So nasa sayo kung paano ka gagastos, 'di ba, during stampede.
Kung gusto mo pa maglaro ng mga doon, may taya, 'di ba? May parang
Oo. May mga
talagang pera.
Oo, may mga tayaan, and then meron pang raffle. So doon tayo napagastos guys. Bumili kami ng mga raffle entries para naman baka manalo tayo ng $1 million na bahay or na mga sasakyan, mga talaga eh. So speaking of sasakyan guys, ito na pala. Ayan. May kukunin tayong sasakyan today. And yan, very excited tayo. Ito na, i-share natin sa inyo. So, ang brand, yun pala, no? Unahin na natin yung brand. So, isipin nyo pa, Toyota, Honda, Kia, Ford, or, eto na nga po. So, sa mga binanggit ko, hindi yun ang sasakyan na pupuntahan natin, or hindi yun yung dealership na pupuntahan natin, kundi Volkswagen. So, kung gusto nyo kami samahan sa pagkuha ng sasakyan today, yan, very excited talaga ako. Please keep on watching. So guys, no, alas 6 na ng gabi, tirik na tirik ang araw dito, and kasalukuyan tayong nata-traffic. So ganito yung traffic natin dito sa Calgary. Moving pa rin naman, pero as always, dito yan nangyayari sa Deerfoot. Pero syempre, mas malala ang traffic pag sa downtown. Ayan, o. Yan, speaking of downtown, yan, isingit ko na lang din. I think in a couple of months, lilipat na yung office location namin. Sa kabilang kanto lang naman.
Malayo eh.
Pero syempre din, big movement rin yun kasi ang dami naming mga gamit. And one of the considerations talaga din na sinabi namin ay wag lalapit sa downtown or wag sa downtown kasi mahihirapan din yung mga kliyente pumunta, ang hirap mag-park, ang hirap hanapin yung building kasi ang tataas pa ng building, anong floor, whatever. So dito kasi very accessible sa amin, free parking, tapos first floor lang kami, hanapin mo lang yung room namin sa building. So yeah, ang pag-move namin, yun nga, hindi na talaga kinonsider yung downtown, kaya nagstay lang kami sa location pa rin namin. So, ang mangyayari, kabilang kanto pa lang naman yun. So, yun, matagal-tagal pa naman. May ilang couple of months pa kami sa lease ng office namin. And yeah, later on, yeah, makukwento ko kung saan kami lilipat. Yan. And very lang naman, lapit ng aming lilipatan. So, may mga items yata na gustong ibenta ang aking boss. Yan. In any case, ipopost na lang namin yon sa marketplace kung may interested, yung mga malalaking tables and office chairs and yung mga dividing cubicles, yung mga ganon. So let us know if ever interested kayo, at least maibenta sa inyo ng murang halaga. Alright guys, so tuloy natin ang biyahe. Anyway, napasegway tayo. Excited na kami ni Alvin. Ano nararamdaman mo?
Happy syempre.
Yan, so kasi Volkswagen yung...
Kakaiba na Volkswagen.
Oo,
Alam niyo naman
sasakyan.
guys, pag Volkswagen, ano yan, made in Germany.
In Germany. O hindi ko alam kung ano tama yung pronunciation ko kasi parang narinig ko kasi nasa Germany tayo. Nag-tour tayo sa Europe nga. Volkswagen, yung mga W, minsan V. V siya bigkasin. So baka Volkswagen to. So
Volkswagen.
yan, explore natin ang sasakyan na to. Grabe, exciting. At least, lalo na si Alwin nagkagamit ng sasakyan for
Hindi
the
naman.
Volkswagen.
Hindi naman.
Yeah,
Sakto
so
lang.
pick upin natin ang Volkswagen for today. Alright? So yan guys, malapit na tayo sa dealership ng Volkswagen. And sa lahat ng mga pinuntahan talaga namin, hindi namin nasama to. Kaya ito ay isang surprise sa amin and para sa inyo na rin. Ayan, so nandito tayo, dadaan sa Ford. So dito lang yan sa Douglasdale. Malapit na rin to sa amin kasi pa-south na
10
rin to.
minutes na lang sa atin.
And explore natin itong
Ayan o.
yan o, VW na brand.
Josh tsaka MJ.
So hanapin lang namin yung mga kausap namin dito na mga agent, marketing people.
Alright guys, so dito na tayo sa loob ng Volkswagen. Yun nga lang, no? Meron tayong music na nangyayari at baka tayo may makapiright. So anyway, nga no.
Parang yung napapanood natin lagi sa
Mm. Yeah.
trees, camper van.
Yeah.
Ayan, no?
May tent pa siya, oh. Tent nga ba yan? I don't know kung tent nga yan, oh. Ayan, so anyway, ayan guys, no. First time lang natin makakapunta rito or makakapasok sa Volkswagen na dealership. And actually, I don't have any idea sa mga ano nila. Ito yung Cross Sport. Ganda, no? Oo nga, yung music. Ito Atlas. Alright. Wow, ganda. Ganda naman.
This one, ito guys yung kukunin natin ngayon. Volkswagen Atlas.
Yeah.
Pero hindi ganito ang kulay.
Tingnan natin. Ganda, no? Pasok na tayo sa loob. Pwede naman pumasok eh. Wow. Oh, laki. Mas malaki. Malaki siya.
Ang bigat ng pinto, no?
7-seater pala to.
Nice.
Ito rin.
Plus ano,
Tapos yung ano niya, oh, ganito na rin, no?
moonroof.
Oo nga.
Ayan na, baby.
Oh, ito na pala si... You're Josh? Yes. Okay. Hi, I am Alvin.
Nice to meet you, Paul.
Nice to meet you too.
Nice to meet you.
Yeah.
Been good?
Good, good.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Ganda naman itong sasakyan na to. Hindi ko alam yung mga model nila guys actually.
I have it up front for you.
Wow.
Go see. It's just outside. Yeah.
Lalabasin pa lang tayo. Sa Mindoro kami, how about
I mean sa Pilipinas? Mindoro kami. Mindoro.
Occidental
Occidental.
Mindoro is just down
Batangas.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
So, parang laging napagpagkamalan yung Mindoro sa Mindanao.
Yeah, that's what I was thinking. I'm not very familiar with the Philippines, but Silang Cavite yung kami.
Okay.
Oh, wow.
So it's just this white one.
Oh, okay.
The Atlas
See, ibang
Cross.
Wow.
kulay nga. So it is
Ganda
white.
naman.
Sobrang kinis guys.
Atlas Cross
Anyway
was
pala,
the
no,
second
si Josh pala, no, yan.
Yes.
Siya yung isa sa mga ano
Like
dito
your
sa
position here para ma-proper
one. Sales consultant.
sales
Sales
consultant dito sa Volkswagen.
Yes.
How do you pronounce it? Volkswagen or Volkswagen?
It's like an F, Volkswagen.
Volks.
I
Volks.
think. Don't quote me. Don't
Okay.
quote me on that. But Yeah,
Okay.
so this is the Atlas Crosssport Exec line. It's one of our larger SUVs.
Mhm.
You can get this in a 7, 6, and then a 5-seater, which is this
Oh,
one.
okay.
So,
But
yeah.
this one is how
How
many
many
seater?
5-seater.
5-seater.
Yeah, it's pretty large. Like usually with a lot of our customers, they usually get this because of the large trunk space.
Right.
Right. It's good for families if you don't have too many kids.
Mhm.
Right. You can still put 3 car seats in the back. And
Ganda.
like if you
Yeah.
wanted to sit in there, there's like so
Yeah,
much
sure.
space.
Okay.
Right?
Oo nga, no? Ang laki. Yung legroom niya, guys, sobrang malaki pa.
Yeah, oo nga,
Great.
no? Kasi pag kay Zion with the
Yeah.
car seat,
Laki
pikit
pa ng
na siya.
legroom. Halos sabi natin isang dangkal.
Right.
No? Ito
Okay.
kay Emma.
Ganun.
Ang
Lumay.
laki rin, no? Siya.
And then this is like,
Oh, sunroof na rin pala to.
Right.
Nice.
So we can go some
Yes. Punta tayo sa harap. Ang ganda. Saka ano, ang ganda ng color white. Same ng car natin.
Yeah. What are you guys driving now?
Santa Fe.
Oh, nice.
Yes.
Nice. So yeah, tons of room.
Oh, yeah. Oh, laki.
Bago-bago.
So
Look.
Ganda. Gusto ko yung info system niya. Oh. Look, dalawa yung screen niya. Meron dito, tsaka meron din dito. Wow. Then, syempre, like yung pinakita ko sa inyo kanina, ganito na yung kanyang parang driving mode, no? Andyan yung reverse, neutral, drive. Yeah.
And
Nice.
then this one. Ang
Tsaka
laki
ito,
ng
ang laki rin ng
nila.
storage dito sa atin. Ano. Tsaka dito, meron din siya sa ilalim.
Yes, parang sa
Parang yung sa
Tesla.
Santa, tsaka yung sa Santa Fe natin. Ganda rin.
Okay.
Nice. Wow.
Do you know how to use it or whatever?
Yes.
Yeah, so
Give you
tuturuan
the
to.
keys if
Okay.
you wanted to start it up. The
Okay.
start button is just right in the middle.
Okay.
Yeah.
Ikaw naman. Wow. Anong engine na to?
It's a 2.0 4-cylinder turbo.
Oh.
Back then it used to be V6, but not anymore. It's just better on gas, same power. You can still tow like 5,000 pounds.
Wow, nice.
Quite a bit. And if you wanted to open the sunroof, you see those 2 little slots in the middle there, in between the lights?
Oh, here.
Kind of
Yeah,
thing?
yeah.
That left side is for the glass. The right side is for the cloth. So it's just a swipe.
Okay.
You swipe up.
Oh,
Yeah.
wow. Now you know.
Nice.
Oh, both pala tinanggal mo.
Yeah, yeah.
Then, paano siya ibalik? Ayun, okay. Swipe lang, i-ano mo lang siya, slide mo lang.
Yeah, just a quick swipe up, swipe down if you want.
Oh, nice.
Oh, nice.
High-tech,
Yeah.
baby.
And then, this one naman,
That's for the cloth. So you swipe up on that one. and you can let
Oh,
go.
I
Oh,
see.
nice. Ah, para cloth lang.
Yeah. So you get the full pattern.
Nakakamangyan,
It goes all
guys.
the way back.
All the way back, guys. Ang haba. Panoramic view. Ito na yung pwede kang lumabas na yung buong katawan mo. Kasi it opens talaga pati yung window.
Yeah.
nice.
So it's one of our top-rated family cars if you need some space, right? You have massage seats on the side as well.
Ah, talaga?
Yeah.
Wow.
Can you try massage
Nice for
seat
long
kasi
drives, that. Yeah,
may
exactly.
massage yung chair ni Alwin. Gustong-gusto pa naman niya
And you
yan.
have it too.
Okay,
Yeah.
that's
Wala, just press lang?
Yeah.
even on my chair din daw,
It'll,
guys.
Start putting up and then.
Ah,
it'll
okay,
start
okay.
going. Yeah.
That's good.
So,
Nice. Ang ganda.
any questions about it?
Anything that we need to know pa?
Oo nga. Eto, paano siya gamitin? Ito.
Yeah, so you just pull back on that one. for
Like this?
drive. Yeah.
Drive, okay.
Drive.
Then neutral, then reverse.
And then
Okay.
reverse. And then there's your 360 camera.
Oh.
Okay. Nice. Then park. Okay. Ganda.
So, yeah.
Oh.
Nice.
Ikaw na yung bahala
So,
sa pag-connect.
If ever, paano buksan yung likod? Let's say, nandito lang ako.
It'll just be here.
Okay.
Yeah, you just pull up on that quickly and then it'll.
Okay.
Can you try? Oh, yan, automatic. Sa Santa Fe kasi namin manual. Kailangan you have to go back and then open it by yourself.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah.
For it to close, you do have to go up.
Ha?
You have
Ganun?
to go. Yeah, yeah.
Oh, okay.
Oh, okay, yung nga lang, pag ko-close mo, hindi na siya bababa. Yan, you have to go back. Pero i-click na lang yata. Yeah. And then siya na bahala mag-close. So nice. Nice to din pag mga long travel sa mountain view, 'di ba? Silip mo agad.
I have a question. Anong meron ng Volkswagen sa
Versus ibang cars.
One of the main things that a lot of people like with Volkswagen is how it drives. A lot of these cars are made for Germany,
Yeah.
made for how they drive, made for like faster speeds, curvier roads. The drive quality of it, the cornering, all of that is top tier, right? I grew up
Tingnan natin yan.
driving Honda, Toyota, right? But in terms of like how it drives
Really.
very different. It's almost like you're one with like the car, steering wheel.
Yeah, so now it's time for Alvin to test it because this is also his first time to use a
yeah.
Volkswagen
Yeah.
car.
Yeah.
Yeah. So we'll see and feel the difference.
Exactly.
Let's see. Siya.
So the easiest way to access your climate control systems is you see by the hazard there's the little Clima button.
This one?
Yeah, exactly. So you just press on that, it'll pop up.
Oh,
on there.
touchscreen. Okay.
So there's your heated, your cooling seats, all of the climate controls. will be
Okay.
easy.
That's good.
Right. And then under that button, while we're looking there, is your mode button. So if you press on that, there's all your different drive modes.
Okay.
Right.
Eco, Comfort, Sport.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Sa atin kasi switch na
yung-
below.
yeah.
This one is touch screen.
Yeah.
Okay. And then you'll just connect your maps and Waze, di ba, baby?
Yeah, pwede. Meron
Okay.
naman siyang Android Auto.
Yeah. Did you want to do that right now?
Yeah, sure.
Yeah.
Do that.
Kasi uwi na natin, guys. That's why we have to connect it. So, para kasi si Alvin, he's Waze dependent. Even if he's here already in Calgary for like about 4 years, he still
Yeah.
depends on the
Me
maps.
too.
Oh, really?
Me too. I always get lost.
Yeah. Yeah.
Then,
And then,
this one?
if you wanted to go to your settings and scroll down,
Yeah, so connect muna natin, guys, 'di ba, para hindi tayo maligaw. And then ito pala yung sa speed
And then?
niya, and then sa
and then
gas.
just your Bluetooth connections. I think it's just connection.
Right. Yung Odo niya, guys,
Bluetooth.
super bago.
Yeah.
2009
And you
kilometers.
scroll down.
Grabe. What?
And it should pop up as my VW. We can actually just so it's a little
Very
easier.
brand
Can you press the A2D
Let's go
video?
to check
This
here.
one?
Yeah, a lot of space. And this one.
Yeah.
Here.
And then may light. Nice. Hindi dilaw, puti.
Yeah, it's connected.
And then this one again. Yan, ipakita natin yung like
Okay.
features na to later on. So dito muna yung mga kailangan.
Automatic na yun
Okay.
natin. Maganda.
Yeah. Okay, you
Dalawa?
can
Right.
go down.
Yeah, baba tayo.
So yeah, as of right now for the Atlases and the Atlas Crossports, it's 0% financing
Wow.
on them, which is nice. You don't have to pay the bank any money.
Yes, that's amazing.
You get 3 years of prepaid maintenance. So for the first 3 years of ownership, any factory required maintenance is covered. You don't have to worry about taking money out of your pocket for that. Plus an extra $1,000 of stackable cash. So it's an
Wow.
extra $1,000 that we give to you or whoever to help with the payments of the car or just the overall price. So it drops down $1,000.
Wow.
So pretty aggressive promos for the
Right.
Atlas.
0%, and then you have like $1,000 sale. And can we do a price review since we are nearing
Yeah.
at the end of the video? The Atlas model that you showed to us, we checked the pictures and everything. It's amazing. So how much is the price of that car?
The price of that car, you're gonna be around 72K. That's like all in.
All inclusive with the taxes. Oh, perfect. Okay, 72,000.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Depends on what trim level you go
Yeah.
though,
Right,
right?
yeah.
It ranges. That one's just the top trim.
Right.
That's
The
why
sports,
it's like
yeah.
that. But
Okay, you have
Alright.
got the top trim. So thank you, Volkswagen.
Yeah,
Thank you,
salamat.
Josh.
Siyempre. Yan, again guys, kapag gusto nyong, let's say, inquire dito sa Volkswagen, look for Josh and MJ, right?
MJ, yeah.
And syempre John. Yan, si John.
Filipino crew.
Yeah, you got a Filipino crew here.
Yes, of course.
Despite the brand being German.
Right,
Yeah.
exactly. It's weird, right? I told my family, it's like, they were like, why?
You are good in like marketing and doing sales, I think. Yeah, Filipinos are good at that.
Yeah, I think so.
Yeah, that's why they trust Filipinos to do everything.
Yeah,
Alright.
true. We're very
Nice.
hardworking, so.
Yeah, I think that would be all. I think the questions will pop up later on as we navigate
Yeah,
the
yeah.
new
Nice.
Atlas Volkswagen car.
Yeah, nice. Ganda.
So we'll just message you or like John, like
Yeah,
if you have any questions or concerns.
Okay. We'll be happy to help in that way, but other than that, just enjoy it.
Yeah, thank you
you,
so
thank you.
much.
Thank you,
Thank you.
Josh.
We're so happy.
Thank
Thank you. Yeah, we'll see you again soon. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Bye.
Be safe.
Yeah,
Thank you.
thanks.
So yan guys, so tinatry-try na ni Alvin. At iuwi na natin ang Volkswagen, whatever it is. Hindi rin alam ni Josh yung yung pronunciation, pero kasi bilang Pilipino, kung ano ang baybayin din ng bigkas. So Volkswagen. Yan. So ang ganda guys. So tingnan nyo naman ang sunroof natin. Ayan, ang tirik na tirik ang araw. Diba? Tapos hindi pa naman ganun kainit. So far, sa loob, kahit na open yung ating dito sa ating sunroof, hindi matutuyot ang ating ulo. Tapos ito na si Alwin, navigate na ang car. Kamusta?
Tingnan natin yung kailangan maramdaman natin kung maganda ba yung suspension,
Ayan.
maganda yung handling, diba?
So sa susunod na video, yan, mag-create din tayo ng review ni Alwin dito. Lalo na sa kanyang pagtatry sa unang Volkswagen car.
First time ko makapag-drive.
Na makapag-drive.
ng Volkswagen. Wow, ang ganda ng suspension.
Bagong-bago pa to guys, oh. Tingnan nyo naman inaapakan ko. Tapos baby, yung Odo niya 2009 lang.
Bago pa lang.
Yung yung car nga namin na ano pa yan? Santa Fe. 4,000 Odo na yan nung nabili namin. So pre-owned na siya. Sarap naman yung vlog ay may background na sunroof.
Oo, may tsaka may hood display siya dito sa
Yung
display sa
dati
lamig.
kasi natin, hindi ko nakikita.
Ganda. Okay din.
Ang luwang nito guys,
Oo,
very spacious. Tapos, yun nga sabi ni Josh, ay pwede siyang 5-seater, 6-seater, 7-seater. Depende sa trim. And then yung sa gamit namin ngayon ay 5-seater.
Yan, siguro. Tapusin
Grabe.
na natin, So,
Ang
next
bango.
vlog na yung guys,
Yung more details about this car,
Kailangan ko pang i-research, syempre.
bibitinin muna namin kayo. So, ayan guys, So, thank you Lord for this opportunity. So, yeah, kwentuhan pa namin kayo ng mas marami about this car. And yes, we'll see you again on the next one.
Peace.
Peace.